Okay, to make my bow, I'm using a Bowdabra, and I first have got some 26 gauge wire that I have looped together, and this is about 24 inches long, and I'm just going to put it straight in the middle of my Bowdabra, and then I just tuck my wire up under just to get it out of the way. And then I have cut my tails. I have one tail that's going to be 34 inches and the second one that's going to be 20 inches. And I'm just going to first put the 34-inch one in. And I have dovetailed the ends. And to do that, all you're going to do is fold your tails over and then just cut with the scissors, just like that. So I'm going to put my longest one in first, and then I'm going to put my other one. And I just make sure when I'm putting my tails in that the pretty side is up on my tails, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to start making my bow. So I'm going to start by putting about an inch of the material, the ribbon, in, so that I've got an inch on this side, and then I'm just going to start making loops. And these loops are going to be about 7 inches. I want this bow to be real airy, so I'm still going to only use 12 loops, but I'm just making my loops larger for this one, so that it's a real pretty airy bow. This ribbon is so pretty. And all I'm doing now, when I take my ribbon in, I just put it in, and because it only has one side that's pretty, I just twist it on the opposite side of the loop. I just twist it so that this side is up, and then I just put it in so that the pretty side is facing the top. And then I'm just going to twist it again. And I just keep doing that. Just like that. Okay, and when I get it completed, then I'm going to mash it down really tight, and then I take my wire from both sides from under, and I put my thumb right here in the middle. You've got to make sure to keep it all together, and then I just put the two ends through the loop and pull it really, really tight. And then I just put it down on the table and mash it really, really tight here in the middle, and then just move my wire back and forth just like that to get it tight. And then you're going to separate your wire and pull it around to the back. Bend all of your loops forward, and then I'm still going to tighten it just a little more by pulling them apart just like that, and then I'm just going to twist to hold everything in place. And I twist my bow. You can twist your bow or just twist the ribbon, whichever is the easiest. Then I'm just going to take it out just like this and just start fluffing it. And there's our bow.